The National Assembly is the unicameral parliament of Laos. The National Assembly meets in Vientiane. Laos is a one-party state, with the Lao People's Revolutionary Party as the sole legal party in the country. Most of the National Assembly's actions simply rubber-stamp the party's decisions. Efforts have been made to increase the capacity of its members, aiming to strengthen their legislative, oversight, and representational capacities. The National Assembly was established in its current form by the Lao Constitution of 1991, replacing the Supreme People's Assembly. After the December 1997 elections, the number of seats were increased to 99. A new structure was announced and Samane Vignakate was elected as its president. The last elections were held on March 20, 2016. The Lao People's Revolutionary Party took 144 seats in the enlarged 149-member National Assembly, while the 5 remaining seats went to independents. Nearly 73% of members were elected to the National Assembly for the first time. During the election campaign, many candidates focused on development, promising to serve the interests of the nation and the people. In 2017, construction started of a new National Assembly building, gifted by Vietnam. Parliamentary committees of the National Assembly currently include